If you have a lot of projects around your house, or even you're just a painter, painter's tape is fantastic, of course, for that, to making sure you got a good clean line for it. Also, art projects, DIY, I mean, you name it. If you just want to take some tape off, put it on some object and write your name on it, I mean, this is great for it too. I love that I've got so many of it. So you can see here, it's like, well, how many does he have? 22 rolls. I mean, for me, this would last a lifetime. This is great. For other people, it might only last a couple weeks on a job. So each row is actually 1 inch and it's 55 yards. You can see here, it's pretty thick here of all this. And I mean, it's super easy to tear. That's what you want with this painter's tape. It's actually made of crepe paper. Just tape. It pulls off just like this. It just tears super easily. And it doesn't come off on the paint, which is super important to me. So when I put it on a wall, I do not want it to come off, the paint to come off at all. I just want the tape to come off. So if I was going to paint this wall, of course, I'm going to put down through here. I want a good clean line. I want to tear it real easily. I do my painting, but I don't. When I take it off, I don't want any residue left. See, look, there's no paint on the adhesive right here at all. Just nice and neat all the way off. So when you're through painting, you just pull it right off. I love that. And then as I mentioned before, it's super thin, so it just tears easily since it is made out of crepe paper. No residue, 55 yards, 1 inch across, 22 rolls. Everything you need, and it's your typical blue standard painter's tape. Hope you found this review helpful.